Alrighty guys, today I'm gonna be taking care of that little AC leak that I had a while ago. Slowly but surely it did get bigger. I traced it down to the valve core. So the Shrader valve for the low side, that's where I traced it down to, and I'm gonna replace that today. So I bought this kit online on Amazon. For the low side, this is gonna be the 1234YF. Fun stuff. You have to take off this right here. So it comes with the 134A setup. So take the big wrench, small wrench on the side, big wrench to unloosen it. And then got the part. Well, this comes with a lot of different valve cores, but I ended up just buying the OEM one from Ford. It was $8, which is not bad. If you need this is for the low side, by the way, part number for the low side. This is the part number for the high side valve. If you need that, 6L1Z19D701B. I guess they go by VIN, so I would say verify your VIN. I guess the year or the month or year, whatever the hell it was made. But anyways, this is pretty much what it costs here. The guy did tell me this one, if I wanted to replace it, was like $40. This one's not leaking, don't need to replace it, just the low side for now. All right, let's get started. All right guys, so I have everything connected. Low pressure side here. This is a 19 Ford Fusion 2.0 variant, and I noticed that there's no clearance here, so I'm just using a long screwdriver against the frame to lift up slowly. You don't want to break the line off right there, but gently, so enough to clear that frame right here. All right, so you're gonna want to go ahead and start downwards and then twisting it counterclockwise until that you feel that you found the Shrader valve. So twist counterclockwise. Once you find it, pull it up, and then you're gonna turn this lever down to close off the line. So I was able to remove the Shrader valve. I did have to use the high side tool. It comes with the low, but I had to use the high side to remove it because it is a bigger tip and it's a little bit more fatter than I expected. But as far as the reinstall, it's just reverse order. So make sure you tighten this down first, create the seal, open up the line, put the new one in with the Shrader valve. As far as bottoming out, you're gonna feel it, and then from there just go ahead and remove everything, and then test out your AC from there. Hopefully this video helps. I did take longer than expected, but hopefully you learn from my mistake.